And now for a live look across the DMV. Yes, it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon and the sun is out, but you really wouldn't know it by the look of things.
Right. Canadian wildfire smoke is creating some dangerous breathing conditions for millions of people, causing burning eyes and itchy throats. And many people are wearing masks just to get through the day.
And so as a result, we are weather alert because of that bad air quality. Thanks so much for joining us for News 4 at 4. I'm Erica Gonzalez.
And I'm Eun Yang. Storm Team 4 Chief Meteorologist Doug Kammerer joining us now. Doug, this is drone video from Burke Lake in Fairfax, and it looks almost apocalyptic. This is crazy to see.
It really is crazy. And you think about those fires, they're thousands of miles away, and we have that smoke coming in our area, and we have it so low to the atmosphere, that you could smell it. You notice that, you walk outside, you smell it right away. And I smelled it last night after the 11 o'clock news.
Yeah, my friend said it smelled like a campfire out there.
Yeah, it smells like a campfire, and that's the way it's going to be right on through the night tonight, into the day tomorrow, too. Let's show you what we've got going on here. You notice, we talked about this last night. You might not be able to see the Washington Monument today, and take a look at it. Yeah. Almost non-existent out there. You can barely make it out. There it is right there. You can barely see the Jefferson Memorial. I mean, so much smoke in the atmosphere. Everybody under an air quality alert today. Code red, if not code purple. We were purple a little bit earlier. Most of us now are on the red side. But we're going to continue to see this increase as far as the, we're going to actually see this move out of here as we move on through the night tonight. So by 9 o'clock, we're already seeing things get a little bit better. But watch what happens by tomorrow morning. Really starts to move out. Now, tomorrow morning, especially in Maryland, north of D.C., still going to be an issue. You'll still smell it tomorrow morning. But as the day goes by, this all moves out, and it moves out very, very quickly during the afternoon. So much better conditions out there on your Saturday as far as the smoke is concerned. But the reason it moves out is because we have a very good chance for strong to severe storms on Saturday. So, again, air quality alert forecast today. This morning, we were very unhealthy in the purple. Tomorrow, we'll start off in the red. We'll move in towards the orange. By the end of the day tomorrow, we'll actually be yellow, and we do think we'll be yellow on Sunday. So it will get much better as far as air quality is concerned on Sunday. But there it is right now towards Reston. I mentioned to you, we have a temperature right now of 91 degrees. I mentioned to you a good chance for severe weather tomorrow. I'm going to time it out for you. I'm going to take you hour by hour, show you what to expect, and show you what it means for the rest of your weekend, too. See you back here in a minute.
All right. Thank you, Doug.
As you heard Doug say, today is just not a good day to be outside for a long time.
News 4's Aimee Cho continues our team coverage. She's been talking to people all day to see how they are dealing with the hazy, smoky day.
Well, as soon as you step outside, you can see and feel that thick haze in the air. Now, typically in downtown D.C. in the summer, you would see a lot of people out and about. But obviously, on a day like today, there are far fewer people.
I'm sweating my pits off here. I heard about the Canadian wildfires and I thought, oh, well, New York might be screwed. I didn't think it would come all the way down here.
Despite the code purple air quality, some folks were still determined to make the most of the day.
Oh, I had been prepared and brought some masks with me and just decided to wear it today just to be extra safe.
I know that the air is bad for me, but I don't do well breathing through that and in the heat, so I'm going to wait and see if I need to put it on.
But others weren't taking any chances. Here at this rec center in Laurel, Maryland, these folks opted for the indoor activities.
It's terrible. I was out in the garden and I was like, I can't do this. Came from Georgia, so I just came off the plane and it was just so smoggy down here.
Many counties around the region offer similar cooling centers for those in need.
We feel like these are valuable resources that we are proud to offer to the community, and we hope that they will utilize them.
So when could we finally see the air start to clear up?
Generally speaking, it's very broad strokes. Particles stay in the air about a week.
Professor Gabriel Isaacman Van Wertz is an air pollution expert at Virginia Tech. He says depending on how strong the winds are and how things go with the wildfires in Canada, we could see some relief in the next few days. He urges folks to be careful when it comes to breathing those particles.
And because they're so small, when you breathe them in, they can really get down into your lungs. They can get into the back of your throats. And they can contain all sorts of different compounds.
Words of caution as D.C. and other cities around the country deal with the dense, dangerous smog. Aimee Cho, News 4.